Hi, this is David Haslett, and this video has to do with painting with walnut ink. See these excellent gradations, dark to light? This is done with just one stroke. This brush, with just the tip and the walnut ink, turning as I go to the side. This is the promontory stroke. It's similar to the double loading technique with watercolor. But anyway, I use walnut ink. How do I do that? We have on our campus an old black walnut tree. This is the size of the nuts. They've got this husk on the outside. All you do is you put this in water, fill it up, and just let it sit for a number of days. You're going to get something that's as dark as this after about a week. And I just let it sit in the open so that it evaporates, and then it reduces and gets darker and darker. This is great because we started running out of India ink in an ink painting project, and I remembered about using walnuts. Got some really dark sepia tones. We're using this to finish off the project. It's working great. So again, you just set them in water, let it sit. Sometimes people even heat it up, and that way you reduce the liquid a little bit more, make it even stronger. Sometimes people add a little bit of something to thicken up, maybe a little bit of arrowroot, kind of like painting with coffee. But this is walnut ink. So what does it look like? I'm just going to do the same thing as with that promontory stroke or with the double loading. With color, I'm going to take this small vial of walnut ink that I made, touch the tip in there, and then when I paint, you'll see this gradation stroke. I'm just going to pivot it to the side, and you'll see like this. See how I turned it? Being sedimentary, you're going to watch this travel, and as it dries, it's actually going to get a little bit darker on the outside. And that's it. You can try different degrees of pressure. But you can do so much with this, and it's really, really easy to make. So that is walnut ink.